Are you struggling to attract clients to your social work business? Well, there's a simple yet powerful tool that a lot of entrepreneurs overlook. Can you guess what it is? Stay tuned because we're about to get into it. So, I recently shared a video about how YouTube changed my social work business, even though I have less than 1,000 subs. And then I also recently shared this video about how to start your social work business. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why using YouTube to grow your social work business or even start your social work business from scratch is the way to go. So let's get into it. All right, so let's look at the first point here. YouTube is what I like to call the platform with the gift that keeps on giving. So why do I say that? Well, because the content that you put on YouTube as opposed to other social media platforms can live on in perpetuity, especially if it's what we like to call evergreen content. So this is going to be your content that shows someone how to do something. So think about how to hang a picture. That's the only clue I could come up with or the only example I could come up with. But think about something like that. That's considered evergreen content and that lives on in perpetuity. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in. You don't have to be showing people how to hang pictures. You can still have evergreen content that your target audience will be interested in for years to come. And so that's why I like to call it the gift that keeps on giving. On YouTube, your video can continue to get likes, shares, comments, and views well into the life of your business, which continuously brings you new customers and clients as leads. So up next, YouTube lets you cast a wider net, and I'm talking global, baby. That means a person anywhere in the world who has the problem that you can help them solve can gain access to your products and or services, and that's huge. So you want to think big, reach far, and watch your client base grow. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know what entrepreneur wouldn't like the fact of their business being marketed 24/7 for free. Like, to me, I love that part. So think about it. Even while you're sleeping, even while you're on vacation, your business is being marketed. So that means that people around the world, because it's global, are learning about your products and or services, and they're actually deciding if they're going to become a client or not. And the wonderful thing about YouTube is once you have enough content up, it can take them on that customer journey to build the know, like, and trust factor in you much faster than any other marketing strategy you can employ. Because YouTube is a search engine, if your video is tagged properly, it will come up for your target audience who is searching for content related to help that they need in the area that you may be serving them. And that is super powerful. And so, as I just mentioned, because YouTube is a 24/7 marketing platform, that means that you can grow your business and attract clients or customers even while you're on vacation, right? And I just talked about this a moment ago. And this is just so beneficial because it allows for you to take downtime from your business. It allows for you to not have to have a huge ad spend just to market your business to get clients and our customers, right? You want to get in front of clients and our customers. That's what your business needs to do to make money. And so the fact that you can do this while you're on vacation, while you're sleeping, because YouTube is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week platform, again, that markets for you. I think that's just huge for any entrepreneur because it allows for you to grow, one, your email list. And that helps you with your potential client base, right? Because you want to sell to your email list. You can sell to anybody else as well, but your email list is tapped in, right? And so that's very important. And the best and easiest way to do that, again, outside of TikTok, is YouTube. Well, yeah, TikTok has its thing. You can do it. But again, I am a YouTube believer. And then last but certainly not least, you can set up your videos in a way to funnel potential clients and or customers to your webpage or to your booking link. It's literally like having a virtual assistant that never gets tired. To scale your business and make sales, regardless if you're selling anything or if you're at an event or whatever it is you're doing, you want to make sure to have automations in place. Automation is going to be your best friend. And let's go back to number one. You make a video and it works for you continuously. And if you've automated it properly, your clients and customers are able to access your products and or services seamlessly. And again, that can happen regardless if you're asleep or on vacation. So let's take a peek at what this looks like in action. So you have your time that's going on and on and on, regardless of what you are doing. And as that time goes on, if you are making YouTube content, which is engaging and compelling content, this content helps people get to develop what's called the know, like, and trust factor. I said it a bunch of times, right? And from this engaging and compelling content, you want to offer them something valuable that helps them gain a small win. We call it a lead magnet. And so from there, they become leads. They're on your email list. From your email list, from them getting on there, you want to nurture the relationship. Again, this deepens the know, like, and trust factor. And trust is huge if you're going to get people to spend money with you. You have to prove that you know what you're talking about and that your service and or product will be helpful to them. After you've nurtured the relationship, they are now primed buyers. And from being primed buyers, you can enroll some of them into your program, you can sell them products, or you can provide them services. And once you do that, they are now customers. And from there, you will help them obtain the transformation that they are looking for. And once you do that, you now have what we call raving fans. And these raving fans are able to share their wins with other people. You can use testimonials and case studies of how your services and or products help them. And that leads the people that they talk to back to your engaging and compelling content. And this is going on regardless of what you are doing. And so this is why YouTube changes the game on how you can make money in your business. If you found this video valuable, please go ahead and click the like button and be sure to share it with someone who might find it valuable as well. If you're interested in learning about how to start your social work business, I have a free resource in the description box below for you. Be sure to check out the fun we're having over in the Social Work Mogul community. We have our upcoming watch party this weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is your girl Michelle saying, stop waiting. The time is now. Start your social work business. Bye for now.